Hi everyone, welcome to Galbi's kitchen. Today I made a 감자탕, the pork bone soup with potato and cabbages. I will show you how to make this pork bone soup step by step. Let's get started! Take out pork bones from the package and place them in a large bowl to soak them. You can find them from the Korean grocery store in the frozen meat section. Fill the water until they are submerged and soak them for at least 30 minutes. This is to take out the blood and the fine bone pieces. Next thing you need to do is soaking the dried radish leaves. You can also get this from Korean grocery store, of course. Then prepare other vegetables. Peel the potatoes. If they are big, cut them into half. And chop the sesame leaves. Then cut the green onions into 2 inches long. Rip off napa cabbage into bite size. Actually, boil them slightly before you do that. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. Now, drain the water after 30 minutes, then rinse them neatly. Place the pork bones in a large pot. Get the cheesecloth like this. Then put green onion, ginger, onion, bay leaves. Tie it up and throw it in the pot. Pour water until all the bones are submerged. Then boil it for about 15 minutes. After 30 minutes, give them a cold shower and make sure there are no dirty stuff left. Throw them back into the pot. Add 2 tablespoons of Doenjang, the Korean bean paste. Fill the pot with 3 liters of water and boil it for about an hour. In the meantime, season the dried radish leaves and napa cabbage. Add 5 tablespoons of gochugaru, the Korean pepper flake. Add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of bean powder. We normally use gochugaru, the perilla powder, but I didn't have it, so bean powder should work okay. Give them a gentle massage until they are well coated. Check my other recipes while you are waiting. Place the seasoned vegetables at the bottom, then add pork bones on the top. And then cover them with the seasoned vegetable again. And place the potatoes in between. Add last layer of the vegetables. Add pork bone broth until they are all submerged. Close the lid and boil them for another 20 minutes. It's almost done. Just sprinkle the green onions and the sesame leaves. Yay, it's eating time. Let me taste it. Really good. It's very tender and tasty. I'm gonna use my hand. So good. Really good. Very good. Did you enjoy the recipe? Since we all are self-isolating at home, spend a little bit of time to cook for yourself and your family. This will bring you energy back. Stay strong and safe and healthy. I will see you guys next time. Bye.